If you don't express gratitude, you can get more in life, you can manifest more in life. Gratitude is so important. Gratitude is the ultimate frequency of receiving and abundance. If you're not grateful for everything you already have in your reality, then your dominant state of mind and your dominant state of beliefs and your dominant energy and frequency will always be about lack, will always be about not having enough. There's a reason why every spiritual teacher tells you to express gratitude. Gratitude is essential. Gratitude is the gateway to creating the life of your dreams. Let me repeat that. Gratitude is the gateway to creating the life of your dreams. It's perhaps one of the most potent and powerful frequencies in the entire universe. It works really fast, it brings you incredible results, and more importantly, it makes you feel good. It makes you feel on top of the world. So why wouldn't you give gratitude a chance? What's so special about gratitude is that gratitude is really this frequency of receiving. When you enter the frequency of the gratitude, you really enter the frequency of receiving. You start attracting things that match the frequency of gratitude. So that's why it's always called the frequency of abundance, the frequency of miracles, the frequency of joy, happiness, and wonderful circumstances. And that's why gratitude is almost like this shortcut to creating the life of your dreams, because expressing gratitude will allow you to harmonize your entire life and your entire energy field. And the more harmonious and elevated your energy is, the quicker and faster you not only consciously create certain parts of your reality, but you start attracting circumstances that make you feel even better. When you're grateful, your focus is fastened on all the things that are already going well in your life. And your focus is such an important component in your life, because whatever you focus on grows. It is really such an essential principle of the universe. Whatever you pay your attention to grows. So when you focus on, oh, I've got so much, I'm already such an abundant person because I've got this and I get this and I get this, and you start just like counting in your head and really tuning into the feeling of gratitude, the universe is just like, yeah, you're kind of right, you're an abundant person, and you focus on your abundance so much, you know what, let me just give you more abundance, because apparently that's what you want from me. The universe always reflects your dominant state of being. And when your dominant state of being is about gratitude, this is when miracles start happening in your life. So how can you start practicing gratitude in your life? Really, you can just do whatever you want connected with gratitude. It's not like you can express gratitude only in one way and you have to stick to this one way, because otherwise it's just not gonna work. No, it doesn't work that way. The most important thing is to invoke the feeling of gratitude, because the feeling is the secret. The feeling is what creates. The feeling is what impacts your energy field. So you're just sitting and repeating and writing down things you're grateful for, but not being emotionally engaged with them, it won't have any impact on your life. You have to feel the gratitude. Start feeling gratitude for anything. Really, just anything. If you really don't have anything to be grateful for right now, start feeling gratitude for the past pleasant memories. But feel it. Feel it in your heart. Gratitude is something that needs to be experienced by your heart, not only by your logical mind. It has to be felt in the heart. This is when it's the most powerful. This is when it starts attracting wonders into your life. So allow yourself to feel this gratitude, and also start expressing gratitude for the tiniest, most insignificant things in your life. Be grateful for the place you live in. Be grateful for your food. Be grateful for all the tiny little things that you use every day, like your phone, your computer, your clothes, your cosmetics, like anything, really, it can be anything. It's just about convincing yourself that, wow, I have all these things and I never even paid attention to these things before, but they make my life so much easier and so much more comfortable. So I'm going to be grateful for these things. I'm going to start appreciating these things. And when you ignite gratitude that way, it's gonna be easier and easier and easier and easier, and each and every time you're gonna feel it a little bit more and a little bit more and a little bit more, and eventually gratitude will become your new state of being, and it will be very natural for you to be grateful for things. You're gonna be living your day with the attitude of gratitude, because this is really the key, to start living the every day of your life with this magical attitude of gratitude, that it's going to attract to you abundance, joy, and happiness on a constant basis. So challenge yourself. Challenge yourself and tell yourself, I'm going to feel and express gratitude for a week, for 2 weeks, and see what happens. And see what happens, because I'm telling you, your reality is going to shift in one way or the other. It may be a small shift in the beginning, it may be a bigger shift, you don't know. But if you start focusing on gratitude, somehow, somewhere, your reality is going to shift in a positive way. Another thing you can do once you've mastered the art of feeling gratitude for the things you already have, you can use gratitude to speed up your manifestations. And you do this by simply being grateful for your manifestation before you received it. Because when you are grateful for your manifestation before you received it, you send out such a powerful message to the universe. And you show the universe the energetic blueprint of the thing you want to experience. And because you're grateful for this, the universe will give it to you faster, because you are on the right frequency. So you can be grateful for your manifestation and act as if you already have it and feel all of this wonderful gratitude for it. And it's going to, in essence, speed up your manifestation. Because when you focus on gratitude, you're not in state of lack. You are in a state of receiving. So I hope that now you understand the basics of gratitude and how gratitude works, and how gratitude can completely transform your entire life and your entire reality. Start living your day with the attitude of gratitude and see what happens. Because I promise you, something magical is going to happen. Because when you focus on your blessings, when you focus on the things that make you happy and joyful, these things expand in your reality. There's no other option. There's really no other option. Your reality is always an exquisite reflection of your dominant state of being. So if your dominant state of being is gratitude, then essentially it's like you're saying to the universe, I am abundance. This is the message you send to the universe anytime you express gratitude. I am abundance. So allow yourself to be this abundance. Allow yourself to fully experience the magic and wonders that gratitude can bring you. Do this little gratitude experiment. Express gratitude for a week, for 2 weeks, for 3 weeks, for a month, however you want, however long you want to make it, and see what happens. But remember to feel gratitude with your entire being, with your heart. Not only repeat gratitude statements in your mind. It doesn't work that way. You have to feel it. You have to connect to your heart in order to make gratitude work for you. So I hope this was helpful. If it resonated with you in any way whatsoever, please give it a big thumbs up. And thank you for being here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for listening.